After the death of Afzal Khan, Shivaji captured the Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. He sent Siddhi Johar with a huge army. Faisal Khan also was with him. He wanted to take revenge of his father's death. Siddhi Johar was brave but ruthless. He laid siege to Panhalgarh. Shivaji thought Siddhi will lift the siege once the rain comes, but he tightened the siege with the arrival of the monsoon. Supplies in the fort were running out. Shivaji was in a fix. Shivaji sent a message to Siddhi that he would shortly surrender the fort. Siddhi was happy. The troops of his army relaxed. Shivaji had a plan to escape from the siege. While the enemy celebrated the capture of disguised Shivaji, the real Shivaji would escape by the difficult route. Siddhi Johar dispatched his Sardar Siddhi Masood. Shivaji saw that it was impossible to reach Vishalgarh. Baji Prabhu told Shivaji that he shall defend the pass till Shivaji reach Vishalgarh. As soon as they will reach there, the guns will be fired. Baji Prabhu defended the pass till he heard the gunfire and took his last breath on the battlefield only. Godkhin became immortal in history as Pavankin.